Hello guys, welcome to Tech Learn It. So today we'll start our session with one command which I have left while I was teaching you guys setting command. So please refer that video and learn properly settings. So command name is option OP enter. So this is also one of the settings which you can do to change the profile of the display, like all the options available in your display you can change through this command. Like in the display you can change the color, your working space color, the background of it. So currently my background is something this, I have made it manually. So you can make yellow, whatever you like, apply and close. So this is what it looks like. So you can change it however you want. Okay, you can do manually also. You can select lot of colors available here. Okay, apply. You can clearly see the background of Autocad working space. So you can also do lot more options here. You can do the settings for the save and open option, your plot and publish, where it will save, where it will publish, where it will plot, your system settings. And we'll come to the drafting part here. Some are the important things are there, like this is the magnet command. If I close this, it will not show. Magnet is uh, you can see clearly in the line there's a middle. When you go to the middle one, so there's one small rectangle shown on the middle part, so that is called as a snap marker. Okay, so that is the aperture of the snap marker. You can increase or decrease based on your requirement, on what scale you are doing your project. And this is the aperture size of my crosshair. This this center box, my grab box, this is the aperture size. So I can increase or decrease. I'll show you first full size. Okay, this is a 3D modeling. I'll come to it while I will teach you the 3D drawings in AutoCAD. Okay, and this is a selection pick box. I'll increase the pick box also, grip size also, to show you the differences what it will create. Okay, similarly here in the display part, lot of tools and lot of options are there. You can go through it. And in the color part, you can change the color of everything. Your crosshair color, I'll make it as magenta. Your lines, grid lines, major grid lines, minor grid lines, lot of things are there. You can do according to your creativity. Okay, and guys, I'll tell you again, please refer all the videos and keep revising it. This will help you. So you can clearly see the purple magenta color crosshair and the background is purple. So I'll make one line, L, enter. Okay, so look at this big box. Look at the size of this. L, enter. What I'm talking about the magnet is this. You can change the color of this green magnets. Lot of magnets are there in this line. End point magnet, midpoint magnets. These are called magnets. If I click somewhere around it also, like here also, line starts from that middle point only. Okay, no need to go exactly on the line. I can go little bit off the line. Okay, so how it works is like this. You can modify your working space. So with this, we will end this session. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe it, share it and like it. Thank you.